Hey guys, it's Durand from NSI Solutions. Hey, I just want to drop you a quick note. We are completely restocked with twist shims and drivers. If you're not familiar with these are kind of like one of the better kept secrets in granite counter installation. They work like a little screw jack for your granite slab. We will put a link to the full video in the description below. But in a quick explanation, if you have a corner block, a sub top, or a Lazy Susan, you can drill a 5/8 hole. Now a brad point bit is the cleanest, but you can also use a paddle bit, inexpensive paddle bit. Drill a 5/8 hole. You take your driver, drive it down into the hole, and then you can either pre-level them and put glue down before you put your stone down, or you can leave them flush, put your stone down, come in, put your driver in your ratchet, and level them from underneath with a level across the top. After you get them level, then you can inject glue directly through them with a caulk gun, or you can use a piece of 5/16 flex tubing and your caulk gun, and you will end up with a puck of glue coming through like that. Another way to use them that people don't think about is if you're trying to adjust one counter after it's down. If you use a carbide tipped bit, come from underneath, bump it into the stone, and then come up from underneath with the twist shim, and you can adjust them a little bit after the fact or make a repair. Be very careful doing that because they are very strong. We have driven these through ironwood. We've used them in thin set and cement board on tub decks. They're super strong. Never again do you need to use a sheetrock screw in the back of your Lazy Susan. That's gonna break off when the painter stands up there. Anyway, completely restocked. They come in cans of 50, 200. The drivers are sold individually. This is another completely US made, machined, and assembled product in the United States by NSI Solutions. Hey, thank you and have a great day. You can drill a hole, 5/8 inch hole. This is the best type of bit, a Forstner bit. Sorry, it's not a Forstner bit. Hey guys, it's Durand from NSI Solutions. Okay. All right. We're gonna edit the hell out of this. We're not putting all these outtakes in here. I'm not there today. In the United States by NSI Solutions. Hey, you guys have a great day. Thank you.